How to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can remove TikTok's you may like suggestions. But before that, if you guys are new to bite-sized learning, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your TikTok. Now on your TikTok, if you tap on the search bar on the top, you will find you may like section. So you can always refresh the you may like section, but if you don't find if you don't like to see the you may like section and the suggestions are not really good, what you might want to do is go to your profile on the bottom right. On your profile, you will see 3 lines on the top right. Tap on it. So after you're here, then you will need to head over to your Activity Center. Tap on Activity Center from Personal Tools. And on Activity Center, you will find Search History. You'll need to tap on Search History. And from here, select your search history. Tap on Select All Search History and delete all of them. After you delete everything from here, what you can do is you can then head over to the notification section. So to go to notifications, you'll need to go back here and go to settings and privacy. Then there you'll see content and display section where you'll find notifications. Tap on notifications, and inside notifications, what you'll need to do is you'll need to turn off the personalized push suggestions, and from there you will need to remove posts you might like and posts from people you may know. Do that and you're basically it will remove you may like suggestions. And that's how you do it, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.